Hello guys, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make as much as $10,000 per month on YouTube utilizing YouTube Short and an underground strategy that I'm going to review to you today in this video. Now, this strategy I'm going to show you in this video doesn't require you to create videos. It doesn't require you to show your face. It doesn't require you to use your voice. And this strategy works worldwide. No matter where you are in this world, it works perfectly. And this strategy is something that you're not going to get the benefit if you don't watch this video right to the end of it. Because at the end of this video, I'm going to share a bonus tip, a bonus video that you're going to watch in order to get the ultimate value out of this video you're watching today. Because I'm about to show you how to build a business, not a side hustle. I'm showing you how to build a business in this video. So I believe you just sit tight and watch till the end of this video so that you can be able to say, yes, I have gotten the value I came for today. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝘂𝗿 and today I'm going to be your guide. On our channel, we share videos on digital marketing, web design, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, and how to help you make money online in general. So if you find massive value in this video today, please, I highly recommend you just take 1 second of your time to smash this subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends so that it will help you to recommend our videos very well. Okay, so let's get started. So what you want to do now is to go to YouTube. Now on YouTube, you need to come to this search box here and type in this search query I just typed in here, which is #short plus then the query, which is how to make money online. Let me explain something. This strategy works for any niche at all. Whether you're doing it for the luxury niche, the pet niche, the health and fitness niche, the motivational niche, the self-help niche, it works for every niche out there. But here in today's video, we need to be focused. That's why I choose the internet marketing niche, which is the how to make money online. Now, so just type this into this place here. And once you type it, then click on this search button here so that it will search for the result there. Now, once you come to this page, you need to scroll down. So you don't need to be bothered about it because these ones are just long form content. So that is not what we want. This is what we want here. Now, as you can see here, I want to show you something that this strategy actually works. So it's not just me saying it. It is working for other individuals here on YouTube. Now, as you can see here, this video, this specific video, I don't know when they uploaded it, but I know it will not be so long. You can say how to make money online in 42 seconds. This video has gotten 16,000 views. This one, 2.9 million views. This one, 10,000 views, 16,000 views, and 11. And why I am choosing this niche or these types of video is because the how to make money online niche has a very high CPM. And also the audiences in that niche, they have money. They have money to spend and they spend a lot in this niche. That's why I'm choosing this niche, because we want traffic that is actually going to convert, not just traffic that is just going to watch our videos. That's why I'm choosing this niche. Remember, it works for every niche out there. Okay, so now you've seen this video. What we want to do in these strategies, we want to be uploading this video because, like I said, you're not going to create the video. You're not going to show on camera. You're not going to use your voice. All we have to do is to re-upload these videos onto YouTube. So first of all, if you don't have a YouTube channel, I highly recommend you just take 1 second or 1 minute of your time. Go over to YouTube. If you have a Gmail, go and create a new YouTube channel now, because you will be needing that channel in order to proceed with this strategy in this video. Okay, so now you've seen the kind of videos you want to create. Let me show you the platform or where you can get this video, because so many of these creators you're seeing on YouTube, they are not the one that created this video. They are only using other people's video to re-upload on YouTube and make money off of those videos. And I want to show you how to do such ethically so that your account doesn't get banned. Okay, so now you need to come over to TikTok. You know, TikTok and YouTube Shorts, they are competitors because they are both competing for the same traffic and they have the same kind of video format. So once you come to TikTok here, what we want to do here, remember the niche you're focused in this video is the make money online niche. But if you're focused on other niche like health niche and the rest of them, all you have to do is just come to the search box here. Now, what we want to type is a query related to the niche you're creating, or we're trying to get videos that we want to re-upload on YouTube for. So here, what we want to do is to type how to make money online. So just type this search query here. So yours might be maybe how to train dogs if you're in the pet niche. So that is all you need to do here. Then click on enter. Okay. So once the result shows, now you can see on TikTok this video, how to make 5 figures per month. You can see this one has 559,000 views on TikTok. You can see this one, 776,000, close to 500,000 views on TikTok, to show you that this kind of video actually works very well. So this is what you need to do now. Once you see these videos now, all you have to do, you can just go to the channel. So if you like any of them here, all the same, just go to the channel here. Just open the channel in a new tab. Okay, so once the account opens, you can see the one we clicked on. Now you can see so many views here. You can see this creator has 400,000 followers on TikTok with 6.2 million likes, to show you that this strategy actually works. Now you can see the kind of video that this guy is creating. Actually, to create this video is not hard. If you have a smartphone, all you have to do is just face it. Like, just face the camera, which is the front camera. You can use the front camera there and just talk to the camera. It's very easy. But if you're shy, maybe you don't like showing your face on camera, or you don't like, so many people don't like their voices and all the stuff. No problem there. I got you. What you need to do is just follow the strategy I'm about to show you here. Now, all you have to do now, let's say for instance, you like, or you've seen these accounts here. All you can do is just click on one of the videos here. Now you can see the video is actually trying to load. So you can see the video. But what I want you to do, you can see this link here that is showing here. All you have to do is just click on this copy link here, because we'll need this link. So just copy this link here. Now you can see how this video is. It's just this guy using a green screen to like talk to. So, but this one is kind of creative, but you can still see other easy ones on his channel. That's on his account page there. You can see other ones there. But don't worry about it. Like I said, just copy this link now. Once you copy this link, go to this website I'm about to show you now. So come to this website here. It says TikTok downloader. You can see 𝗢𝗂𝗥 tick, which is for TikTok. You can see. So what you have to do here is just paste in that link. So once you paste the link, then click on download. So it's trying to convert the video. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is to download without the watermark, because you don't want that TikTok. Let me show you if I can see it here. You see this TikTok watermark, you don't want it to show on the video. You want to re-upload to YouTube. So you just click on download without watermark here. Then to open your file right here, you just click on start download, so to download this video. Okay, so once you have the video downloaded, what you have to do now is to go over to your YouTube channel you just created. Okay, so once you come back to YouTube here, all you have to do is to click on this create button here. Then click on upload video. Now, all you have to do is to click on select files here. So what you have to do here is to select that file. I have so many of them here, but you have to show you that I'm also doing this strategy too. So then what you have to do is just select the file, which is this video here. Then click on open. So to upload the video now to YouTube. Okay, so here you can just give it a catchy headline, which is how to make money fast at 𝗢𝗂𝗥𝗲. So this is my title of this video here. Then maybe we can put hashtag short. So by default, you won't see anything here on your side. I'll just delete every single thing here. Or let me just leave this part. Let me just delete every single thing from this end here. So here I want to show you something here. On my channel here, I have something called video tags here. So for video tags, you can pause the video to start adding this tag. You can see I'm adding it hashtag, then I'll make money from home, then with this emoji here, this one, then space. You can see another one, hashtag make money fast online. So this thing is just like telling YouTube, like it helps for your SEO, YouTube SEO. So to tell YouTube, okay, this is the kind of content your channel creates. You understand? So that YouTube will best position your channel or your videos to show to the audiences in this, this niche, so that you don't get irrelevant traffic to your videos. Okay. So here now, what you can do is say in this video, you will learn how to make money online at 16. So you can just do this. Then now here, this is where you can start making money from YouTube now. So here in this description here, this is where you can put your links, your offers. So if you're an affiliate and you're affiliated to any of these networks, maybe ClickBank, JVZoo, Maxwell, Max Bounty, Byboost, and the rest of them. So if you're affiliated with them, you can go ahead to pick an offer in that niche, like the niche your short video is all about. You can go there. If it's in the health niche, go find an offer in the make money. In the health niche, like a weight loss offer. It might be a diabetes offer. It might be a joint pain offer, and so on and so forth. So, but just find an offer that is relevant to the niche your channel is positioned for. so that when your audience is watching the video and they come to your description, they see this, the stuff you've written down in your description, it will be relevant to them. They'll potentially click on it and go ahead to the vendor's page. Then if they buy from there, you're going to earn commissions. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy something and just add here for now, so that I can just show you how it works. Okay, so what I just did, I just went ahead to add these links here. As you can see, I get paid to use YouTube, Facebook, because probably audience is watching this video, they want to learn how to make money online. So when they see something like get paid to use YouTube, which is YouTube they're already watching videos from and they're not making money, they'll be like, oh, let me check out this thing, let me see if I can actually make money on YouTube. So those kind of stuff, you can see live chat jobs. So these things are kind of interesting offers that these guys will want to check out. So, but if you want to know how I got these offers, it's very simple. This is how I got it. Okay, so I went to ClickBank here. If you don't have a ClickBank account, you can create a ClickBank account. This thing works for any, or like it works with any affiliate network out there, but I'm just using ClickBank for now. So here you just come to ClickBank, and when you come to the affiliate marketplace, so depending on the category you're trying to, your channel is positioned for, it might be health, might be e-business and marketing for internet marketing audience, might be spirituality, it might be self-help, might be any of them here. So let's say, for instance, in our example, it is the e-business market because it is online internet marketing. So we'll just come to this place here. Now you can see that live chat job offer. All you have to do, if you find the offers you want here, you can just click on this promote button there to generate the home link. There you just click on generate home link. Then you copy this link here. And once you copy this link, you come to bit.ly here. When you come to bit.ly here, you just come here. You just paste the link here. Then you click on shorten. So to shorten the link, all you have to do is just copy. When you copy this link, then you can go back to your YouTube channel. Then you come back to your YouTube channel and you just paste the link here. After adding a hook, a headline. So you can just put the headline here, then you put your links here. So this is just how to do it. This is how to make money online with YouTube Shop. But now, this is just a simple strategy that I'm just showing you. But like I said in the beginning of this video, I want to show you how to build a business, not a side hustle. Because this one is just a side hustle. I want to show you how to build a business, meaning I want to show you how to grow an email list, how to build your email list, and also how to grow your email list, because they say the money is in the list. When you grow your email list, then you can be able to get like recurring sales, recurring commission, because when somebody buys from you the first time through your email list, in the upcoming months to come, when you keep sending them valuable emails and you keep educating them more, they might want to still buy more of your offers you're still promoting to them. So that is the benefit of having an email list. So now I want you to come to our channel here. So come to our channel watch page here. So you can see when you just come to our channel here, then you come to videos, scroll down this page here. When you scroll down this page, see this specific video here which says how to, okay, see it here. This one says how to build an email list from scratch as a beginner and make money online. Go and watch this video. It is very important because this is an in-depth video where I show you how to build a landing page, how to add an offer there, which is your hook, how to send traffic to the offer, and also how to like set up your autoresponder so that you don't need to be sending these guys emails every single day. You can just, it's a set and forget system, automated system. So I'm teaching you how to set up an automated business now. Just set it was, you can go on vacation, you can go do any single thing you want to do, and you just see the commission keep rolling in, given that you're pushing traffic to this your funnel. So go and watch this video here. Now, if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now and start making money online, check out this link in my description here. You can see it in the description of this current video you're watching. It says get blueprint. So click on this link to go over to my landing page, add your email address there, then download my free blueprint where I'll show you step by step on how to make money online, selling high ticket affiliate product that people are already searching for online to buy. Now, you don't need to create that product. You don't need to ship that product. You don't need to answer customer service for that product. The vendor is going to do everything for you. All you have to do is just market those products so that you can be able to earn thousands of dollars as commission promoting those products. Now, if you found massive value in this video, help us grow. Smash this subscribe button, like our video, and also share it with your friends so it will help you to recommend our videos very well. Now, before you go, please check out any of these videos appearing here so that you can learn more money making strategies and how to grow and make money online. I hope to see you in one of our next videos.